guys, today I'm doing my second Halloween makeup tutorial. This is going to be a dog makeup tutorial. Hopefully you guys are seeing this on Tuesday. I'm hoping I can have it edited for Tuesday. Because like I said in my outfits video, I'm getting surgery on Tuesday to get this thing in my wrist removed for whatever, but yeah, today I'm going to do a little puppy dog. I'm going to do a little nose. It's going to be really simple. So with a white eyeliner pencil, I'm just going to trace out the little tongue. I'm going to have it like hanging out the side. I'm just going to take a red lipstick. This is Fire by NYX. Regular red lipstick, and I'm going to take that on a lip brush. Basically, I'm just going to fill in and go over the white. Black track fluid line just to draw a line down the center of the tongue, and I'm just using this little eyeliner brush. The next thing I'm going to do is also taking that black track fluid line and just going around my nose with it. And then just to fill it in so it's easier, I'm going to use a concealer brush, just because that's going to spread a lot quicker. Now I have a little puppy dog nose. I'm going to use just another little eyeliner brush with the same thing, and just put a few, 3 little dots. Look like a little puppy dog. And then I'm going to just make a line here, and then have it go out into the lips. And then using a mixture of MAC's Odyssey lipstick and NYX's Violet Ray lipstick. They're kind of similar, but I'm just going to mix them, and then I'm just going to put that on my lips. And then going again with the red lipstick, I'm just going to go around the edges. And now you're a little doggy. Yeah, I think this is just really cute if you want to dress your kid up like this, or if you want to be a little doggy, you can go for it. You can draw some whiskers if you want. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this dog makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!